There's a version of you you don't talk about, the one who knows you are meant for more. Not more money, not more attention. More life, more courage, more discipline. More nights where you went to bed proud instead of distracted. And the scariest part, you're not failing because you can't do it. You're failing because you won't start. Let that sink in. Wasting your potential doesn't look like being lazy. It looks like being comfortable. It looks like scrolling instead of building, watching instead of creating, saying one day instead of today. You're not broken. You're just avoiding the pain of becoming who you're supposed to be. Because growth demands something from you. It demands discomfort. It demands boredom. It demands saying no to the easy things that are slowly stealing your future. And right now, your potential is watching you trade greatness for convenience. You feel it, don't you? That quiet frustration, that heaviness you can't explain. That voice that whispers, I'm capable of so much more than this. That's not anxiety. That's not pressure. That's your future self begging you to wake up. One day, you'll look back on this moment and you'll either say, I'm proud I didn't quit on myself. Or you'll say, I knew what I should have done, and I didn't. And regret is heavier than discipline will ever be. You don't need motivation. You need a decision to stop lying to yourself, to stop waiting for confidence, to stop asking for permission. Start messy, start scared, start tired. But start because the world doesn't reward potential. It rewards execution, and the longer you wait, the harder it becomes to forgive yourself. So if this video found you today, take it as a sign. This is your moment to stop wasting what you are given, to stop running from the work, to stop betraying the person you know you could be. Don't wait for rock bottom. Don't wait for perfect timing. Choose growth and choose effort. Choose yourself. Because the world doesn't need another person who almost tried. It needs you at full capacity. And if this message hit you, if a part of you knows this was meant for you, don't let it end here. Subscribe to this channel, not for motivation that fades, but for reminders that keep you accountable. Every video here is a wake-up call, a push when you're slipping, a reminder of who you said you wanted to become. You don't need more content, you need consistency. So subscribe and let this be the place you come back to when comfort starts pulling you backward. Your potential is waiting. Don't ignore it again.